Vaishali, your interview with our Karnataka Bank is on which date?
So it's on 3rd of May.
Luckily, you have 1 day, second, and your interview is going to be in Bengaluru.
Yes, sir. I have to go by flight
You are
to
you are
Bengaluru.
you are from which place?
Sir, I am from Uttar Pradesh, Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh.
अरे बाबा, Greater Noida से उधर जाना पड़ेगा. Oh, how are
Yes,
you going to
sir.
travel, by flight or by train?
Sir, by flight. It will be my first ever experience.
Going alone or with your daddy?
Sir, alone.
Oh, Baba. Did you pass on message to somebody else in Bengaluru
Yes,
to
sir.
you
Yes,
receive
sir.
it?
One of my friend is living there, so it will be okay.
Very good.
And
Otherwise, do not travel in a new station during night times alone.
yes, sir. So I've kept my flight of the day timings.
Excellent. That's good. You are very clever. Good. Now, Karnataka Bank. Tell us about yourself.
So thank you for giving me opportunity, sir. I am Vaishali Sharma from Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh. I have done my BCom from Delhi University, which got completed in 2018. Then I pursued Masters of Commerce, MCom. My father is a shopkeeper and my mother is a homemaker. I have a one brother, younger brother, who is doing MBBS. My strengths are that I am loyal and dedicated. I have a creative mindset and I am honest. I have ability to handle pressure well with cool and composed mind. So that's
Good.
all about me, sir.
Tell us about your family.
Oh, sir, I live in a joint family. I've always been brought up in a joint family. So it's a family of 11 members. We stay together.
Hmm.
Yes. And we have agricultural background. Like
Mm-hmm.
my great grandfather used to be a farmer. Then my grandfather worked in NTPC in Delhi, and then my father is a shopkeeper, and my other parents are into some business.
Mm-hmm. How many siblings Vaishali has? Hello.
Yes. Sir, I have one younger brother.
You have one younger brother. What is he doing?
Yes, sir. So he is doing MBBS from Uttar Pradesh itself.
Oh, he is doing MBBS. Good, good, good. That's right. So,
Yes.
what do you know about banks?
Sir, banks are the institutions that accept deposits and lend money on the demand of the people.
Yeah, good. So, what are the different types of deposits banks take?
So deposits include fixed deposits, recurring deposits account,
Hmm.
and in savings account also the deposits are there. In
Hmm.
current account also where people, businessmen uh, 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 maintain that account.
Hmm. So, you said savings bank, current account. Did you tell about fixed deposit?
But yes, sir.
Then recurring deposit? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you please
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
can you please differentiate savings bank account from current account?
Yes, sir. So saving banks account can be opened by anybody, uh, and current account is opened by only businessmen
Hmm.
who are into business.
Hmm.
And the in savings bank account, interest is given to the customers, whereas in current accounts there is no interest. This savings account can be open for low amount also, but in current account you have to maintain large amount. And there is no restriction on withdrawal or deposit on current account, whereas on savings account there is limits as which depends upon bank to bank.
So what is the difference between fixed deposit and a recurring deposit?
Yes, sir. So recurring deposit account, every month you keep a certain part of your savings into the account, and when the maturity comes, you can only withdraw that amount at that time. No, you cannot withdraw before the maturity. The time period is from 6 months to 10 years, and in fixed deposits account, you deposit the certain amount for a quarterly basis, or you can deposit for the till the maturity, and you can withdraw anytime if in case you require the amount, but you have to take out the amount lump sum.
ऐसा नहीं बोलना है. Fixed deposit is a deposit which we keep for a fixed period, and at the end of the period we will get back the money along with the interest at the stipulated rate. And we can also draw interest in fixed deposit on quarterly basis, or we can take it as a cumulative deposit. But in case we need money before that period, expiry of the period, we can take loan up to 90% of the deposit. In which case we have to pay 2% more interest on that. And
I was not aware about it.
In case we don't want to take loan, we have to foreclose the deposit. And when we foreclose the deposit, bank will pay interest for the period the money has been with the bank for that period. What is the rate of interest for that period? Less 1% as a penalty. In the case of recurring deposit, we have to pay installments every month. When we fail to pay installment properly, we will be levied certain penal charges. At the end of the recurring deposit period, we will get back the money along with the interest calculated up to date. Even in recurring deposit, if we want loan, we can take 90% of the balance outstanding at the time of our taking loan. And the minimum period of fixed deposit is 7 days. Maximum period is 10 years. A recurring deposit minimum period is 6 months. Maximum period is 10 years.
Yes.
Tell me whatever points you know about a Reserve Bank of India.
Sir, RBI was opened on 1st April 1935 under the RBI Act 1934. Hilton Young Committee suggested about the RBI, and the headquarters was first in Kolkata, but then it moved to Mumbai a few years later. It was nationalized in 1949, and it is the apex bank which governs all the commercial banks of the India. It has 4 subsidiaries.
4 subsidiaries or 5?
And it, sir, 5. One has been added. RBIH has been recently added.
Tell me what are the 5 subsidiaries?
Sir, one is, sorry, sir, I am just taking some time. It is BRB PNL. And second is DICGC. And RBIH.
Correct.
Is the third one. And IFTAS is the fourth one.
Hmm.
And one more is there, sir. I don't remember its name.
REBIT.
Yes, sir. I,
What is a subsidiary? Because you are a commerce student. What is a subsidiary?
sir, it is the uh, sir, the main it is the company of a parent company govern. It comes under the parent company.
Hmm. A subsidiary or a subsidiary company or a daughter company is a company that is owned or controlled by another company, which is called the parent company or
Parent.
parent or holding company. I am giving a link of this material in our Telegram. I have already given. अभी दे दिया हमने. हमारा टेलीग्राम पेज में एक
Okay,
लिंक
sir.
दे दिया. ठीक है?
Okay.
उसको they will
Okay,
ask.
sir.
They will ask because you are a commerce student. That is why.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you tell me who is a proprietor? What is a partnership firm?
The
Ex-
proprietor is a sole person who is a yes, sir. Who owns an business entity, and a partnership firm needs minimum 2% to start a partnership,
Okay, in the case of
and maximum can be 20 in case of banking.
wrong. In the case of banking, 10. In the case of non-banking,
Okay.
20.
Okay, sir.
Good, very good. So do you know what are the documents required for opening an account in the name of a limited company?
I'm not aware. Can I do guess, sir?
Yeah, why not?
The
Yeah,
KYC documents
yeah,
are required,
yeah.
and
Then
maybe bank statement.
no. Why should bank statement be required?
No.
Supposing I am opening account for the
Mm,
first time, how will I have a bank statement with me?
Yes, sir.
You have to say memorandum and
So
articles
KYC
of
documents are required.
KYC documents are required, then memorandum and articles of association, certificate of
Yes, sir.
incorporation, then a resolution
Yes, sir.
passed by the board of directors.
Sir, I
Author,
knew about it.
authorizing who are all the people who are going to open the account like this. Good, very good. Now, can you tell me who is the finance minister in Uttar Pradesh?
Sir, Mr. Suresh Khanna is the finance minister,
Good. Now you are a
as per
girl.
my knowledge.
You are a girl and only daughter for your parents. Will they permit you to be posted anywhere
Yes,
in
sir.
India? Anywhere in India?
Sir, I have a clear-cut conversation regarding this with my parents, and as far as I know, they have no issue as such. I'll be
Excellent.
comfortable anywhere
Excellent.
bank posts me.
Excellent. Very good. Supposing I post you to Karnataka, how will you manage for the language problem?
First of all, English I know, and if I live in that environment, I'll get regular with my English, and if I live there, I'll start learning their language also,
Mhm.
or maybe I'll. Yes, sir.
Maybe you should not say, I will.
Yes, sir.
There is
I
a
will manage.
there is a difference between using maybe, can be, trying. Instead, you should use I will like that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What is the present interest rate on savings bank account in Karnataka Bank?
I have not gone through about this, sir, but it must be between 4 to 7%.
No. 2.75%. Reserve Bank says
Okay.
one can give interest rate of 3 to 4%. Some banks give 3 and above. Some banks give less. Your bank, namely Karnataka Bank, gives only 2.75. These things you have to know by going through the website of the bank.
Okay, sir.
What is the current repo rate?
Sir, 6.50%.
Very good. Can you tell me recent headlines related to banking?
Sir,
Everyday newspaper you have to go through. Based on that only you can say. Everyday newspaper you have to go through, and accordingly
yes, sir.
prepare yourself for that. And
Yes, sir.
today's news.
So, Mr.
Hmm.
Sir, I'm not aware about today's news, but I can tell you about this month's news, whatever I can
Tell.
remember. So, Mr. Shekhar Rao was appointed as the interim MD and CEO of Karnataka Bank.
Super. Good point. Then.
And US emerged as the largest trading partner of India.
Okay, good. Next.
Yeah. And so, yes, sir. And UPI was emerged as the most preferred digital payment mode. Nirmala Sitharaman, our finance minister, announced it. And yes, so
today's
that's
news.
all I can remember.
Today's news, and you can tell in your interview also. You can retain this one. Is this news? Forex reserves ease from over 9-month highs. India's foreign exchange reserves eased from over 9-month highs and stood at 584.25 billion for the week ended April 21. The Reserve Bank of India statistical supplement showed on Friday. That is a decrease of $2.16 billion from the previous week. Food aggregator platform Swiggy is now charging users a platform fee of ₹2 regardless of the order size, as it looks to put a leash on its expenses. This is something else. This is current affairs news. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So likewise, you must go through the current affair news and get to know about it. Exam P, new Bpedia loaded. Download Bpedia.
Okay.
Exam P is giving,
Okay.
Like I think I have already
Sir, I
shared.
do current affairs from Affairs Cloud app is there. I do it from there. So
Then plus from that, what did you read? Tell me.
Sir, actually, I did it till my exam I had on 23rd. After that, I could not get into touch with the current affairs a lot because I was busy in preparing for the interview. Yes, sir, but I should know about the current affairs. I'll go through it.
Very good. Very good. Very happy. You are telling positively. How much did you pay for this interview?
For this interview?
Yeah. What is the fees you paid? I don't know.
To you, sir?
Yeah.
It was 403.
Oh, it's okay. If you want one more mock interview, then you will have to pay 100 rupees and fix a date beforehand. Fix a date beforehand. You have prepared not fully well. Thoda aur bhi padhna hai. Why have you not prepared? I am not happy because you are a commerce student.
Yes,
And
sir.
Still so many questions are there in commerce, like say balance sheet, depreciation, goodwill, trial balance, like that. So many questions can be asked.
Yes, sir.
So
So
you,
till now,
yeah, tell me.
I did like I brushed up all the concepts of the. I'm trying to brushing up all the concepts of the banking. The most I can do, I got to the Karnataka bank's history and
Hello, listen.
some. I'm
History is not required in interviews. Just tell the year in which it is started. Now, who is the MD and CEO? Tell the present business position of Karnataka. Tell the achievements of Karnataka Bank. Tell the awards received by Karnataka Bank. That will do. Can you tell me what is the total deposit of our Karnataka Bank as on 31st March 2023? I have posted.
1,25,000 crore.
Are you sure? It is wrong. It is wrong. Oh, I can
So is it
remember
the
it is. I can
turnover?
remember. I can remember. Turnover is 1,45,000 or something, and
Okay.
whereas the figure told by you is not correct.
Okay.
I have posted
Sir,
a
I
video.
got it from their video.
I have posted a video of that one. 1 minute. I'm sharing that with you now.
Okay, sir.
Just a minute. It's important. Or you see the screen now?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Good evening, candidates. Good evening. Today in the class, a candidate was asking about Karnataka Bank figures. Of course, he has sent the SEBI footnote prepared by Karnataka Bank, wherein we can see what is the profit made, what is the capital and all that. But regarding deposits, I came across this. Karnataka Bank targets rupees 1.75 lakh crore business in 2023-24. Karnataka Bank achieved rupees 1,48,694 crore business. That is both deposit and advances. Both deposit and advances put together. This was told by MD and CEO Mahabaleshwara. MD and CEO Mahabaleshwara. On 1st of April, he was addressing the gathering through the virtual conference, it seems. The bank has achieved 1,48,694 crore business. That means both deposit and advances. They are setting a target of 1.75 lakh crore for the financial year, next financial year, which translates into a growth of 17.69%. Addressing the employees on April 1, beginning of the new financial year, through virtual mode from Mangaluru, Bank Managing Director CEO M.S. Mahabaleshwara, now he has changed. As per provisional numbers, business turnover of the bank stood at 1,48,694 crore with a growth of 7.63% consisting of deposits. This is the figure, please note down. 87,362 crore. Deposit 87,362 crore. If you say 87,000 also, okay. To 326 crore. If you say 61,000 deposits, okay. 87,362 crore. Advances 61,326 crore. Total CASA deposits 32.97% as on March 31, 2023. We are having the latest figure itself. We have navigated the financial year fairly well by exhibiting sustainable growth on liabilities and assets, prudent asset liability management, and robust risk management practices, negating the adverse after effects of global developments like rising interest rates, Ukraine war, etc. Stepping into 100th year of service, bank has launched a year-long centennial celebrations. Mr. Mahabaleshwara is confident that bank is set to emerge as a strong, vibrant, and energetic digital bank powered by accelerated new transformation journey, KBL Next, that will propel the bank to new heights of growth. Executive Director Shekhar Rao, now is the interim MD and CEO, said the bank's performance was satisfactory under the given macroeconomic scenario. The bank would strengthen the operational ratios in the coming quarters given its solid fundamentals, good IT infrastructure, and hygiene of the credit portfolio. Chief Operating Officer YV Balachandra and Chief Business Officer Gokuldas Pai participated in the video conference. Thank you. Once again, let me repeat. Total deposits 87,362 crore. Advances 61,326 crore. This figure only is available as far as March 31, 2023. The CASA deposit is 32.97. Yeah, so this is what it is. Yeah, and it will be maintained. Thank you. Just a minute. Yeah, so that was the details about Karnataka Bank. What is your name? Hello.
Hello.
Vaishali, you must watch the
Vaishali, sir.
video. You are not watching the videos posted by me. How will you improve your knowledge? I am not sure
Yes, sir.
they are going to ask questions only from this, but AB apply whatever I am giving, whatever I am posting, even that candidates, if you don't read, how can you improve? If you are very good in knowledge and good in communication skill, they will select you. Confidence level is what is more important. I wish you all the best. Please attend the interview and send me the list of questions they are asking you. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Best wishes. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.